Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Australia has almost 400 mammal species and about 140 species of marsupials, which are animals that carry their young in a pouch such as the kangaroo and koala. Half of the birds that live in Australia can only be found there, including the kookaburra, emu, and rainbow lorikeet, an especially colorful parrot, and others. In this video we will show you 15 unique animals lives in Australia. 1. Greater glider. Greater glider is a remarkable marsupial native to the eastern and southeastern regions of Australia. Australia's eastern and southeast are home to the amazing greater glider marsupial. This strange-looking animal that lives in trees is well known for its unusual flying skills and its importance to Australia's biodiversity, including their long, bushy tails. Of the greater glider species range in length from 17 up to 20 inches, making it one of the largest gliding marsupials. Their fur is thick and woolly with colors ranging from silver gray to grayish brown. They seem remarkable with their big wide eyes and unique facial characteristics. Being herbivores, greater gliders mostly consume eucalyptus tree leaves for food. They are extremely effective herbivores in their forest habitat because they have developed unique digestive adaptations to handle the poisonous chemicals present in eucalyptus leaves. 2. Western ground parrot. Western ground parrot is a critically endangered parrot species native to the southwest of Western Australia. This extraordinary bird is among the rarest parrots in the world, distinguished by its beautiful plumage and unusual habits. The majority of the western ground parrot's feathers are green. Its underparts and throat are uniquely marked with bright yellow, giving it a distinguishing look. Their tail feathers are comparatively long, and their body is thin. They graze on a variety of seeds, especially those of native plants like Banksia species. As they search for food on the ground, they are renowned for their enigmatic nature. To elude predators, they frequently hide in thick vegetation. 3. Leadbeater's possum. Leadbeater's possum is a critically endangered and uniquely Australian marsupial species found only in Victoria, particularly within the Central Highlands of the state. The leadbeater possum is a small marsupial that is between 13 and 15 centimeters long. Its wide round eyes and thick bushy tail give it a distinctive appearance. With a gray-brown top coat and white undersides, their dense, velvety fur has a faint stripe that runs from the forehead to the neck, resembling a headband. The leadbeater's possum is an arboreal and nocturnal animal that spends its days in dense vegetation in tree hollows. Living in small family groupings or colonies, they are extremely gregarious creatures. Agile climbers, these possums mostly consume insects, pollen, nectar, and tree sap. 4. Tasmanian pademelon. Tasmanian pademelon is a small marsupial found in lush rainforests and bushland of Tasmania, an island state of Australia. Pademelons measuring around 40 up to 50 centimeters in length. They have short legs, a somewhat short tail, and a stocky body. Because of their silky dense fur, which is usually colored brownish-gray, they may blend in with their woodland surroundings. Their wide face and big expressive eyes are what set them apart the most. Typically nocturnal, these marsupials awaken during the night in order to feed. Being herbivores, their main sources of food are ferns, grasses, and other plant materials. Pademelons are renowned for being wary and reclusive creatures that usually hide in thick undergrowth to evade predators. 5. Numbat. Numbat is a unique and charming marsupial native to Australia. Numbats are extremely small, slender marsupials that range in length from 20 up to 28 centimeters, with an extra 15 up to 21 centimeters for their bushy tail. Their remarkable features, which include reddish-brown fur, a black stripe down their back, and white bands across their rump define them. Their long slender nose and thin pointed tongue are ideal for scraping out termites. They are renowned for their unusual way of feeding. They remove termites from their nests with their long sticky tongues. They may find termite nests buried beneath the ground thanks to their keen sense of smell. They are nimble and effective in their pursuit of termites, continuously searching for food to satisfy their high energy needs. 6. Frilled lizard. Frilled lizard is a remarkable and instantly recognizable reptile native to northern Australia and southern New Guinea. Frilled lizards are medium-sized reptiles with a length ranging from 75 to 90 centimeters, including their long slender tail. They get their name from a characteristic neck frill that is fringed and can grow to a remarkable extent. Typically, their frill is multicolored, exhibiting shades of red, orange, and yellow. The lizard has a long, whip-like tail, a narrow snout, strong claws, and a scale-covered body. Frilled lizards are carnivorous reptiles, primarily feeding on a diet of insects, spiders, and small vertebrates. They use their long sticky tongue to capture their prey. They are active during the day. Although they are mainly solitary animals, during the breeding season they have been observed to socialize. Because they are such skilled climbers, it is common to observe these lizards perched on branches and trees. 7. Dingo. Dingo is a fascinating and iconic wild dog species native to Australia. Dingoes are medium-sized canids, with a lean and agile build. Their body length is roughly 100 up to 120 centimeters, and they stand at shoulder heights of about 50 up to 60 centimeters. Their fur has white patterns on the chest, paws, and tip of the tail, and its hue ranges from sandy yellow to reddish brown. A bright, inquisitive expression, upright ears, and a bushy tail characterize dingoes. Dingoes are renowned for their sophisticated social behaviors, intellect, and adaptability. Their varied food consists of small mammals, birds, insects, and plant matter. They are opportunistic hunters and scavengers. They frequently hunt in small family groups and use a range of vocalizations to communicate. 8. Platypus. Platypus is one of most unique and enigmatic creature native to eastern Australia. Platypus is easily identified by its unique appearance. Its feet are webbed and its body is coated in thick weatherproof fur. Its snout resembles a beak. Their webbed feet are designed for digging as well as swimming, and their fur ranges in hue from brown to dark gray. During the breeding season, the male platypus uses its poisonous spur on its hind legs to compete with other males. Primarily are carnivorous, feeding on aquatic invertebrates such worms, insects, crabs, and tiny fish. They are able to identify electrical impulses produced by their prey's muscle contractions thanks to their electroreceptive bill. They can stay underwater for long periods of time and are very good swimmers. To keep water out of their eyes, ears, and nostrils, they close them. 9. Quokka. Quokka is a small herbivorous marsupial known for its cheerful and photogenic appearance. Are native to southwestern Australia. Quokkas have a tail that is between 25 and 30 centimeters long, and they range in length from 40 to 54 centimeters. Their features include a short curved tail, a round face, small ears, and a stocky frame. Their underbelly is light, and their coarse fur ranges in color from brown to gray. Quokka are herbivores, mostly consume a range of plants including as grasses, leaves, and other plant matter. They have also been observed to consume certain fungus and tiny insects. They are most active during the night and they are social animals, often living in small family groups. They may leap onto trees and plants when attacked since they are skilled climbers. 10. Wombat. Wombats are stout, solidly built marsupials with short legs and strong claws which they use for digging burrows. Wombat have small legs and powerful claws that they use to dig tunnels. Their wide ears and small eyes are set atop a large flat head. Their fur ranges in hue from dark gray to sandy brown. The pouch on the back of wombats, which keeps dirt out when they burrow, is one of their most characteristic traits. Wombats are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, roots, and the bark of shrubs and trees. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth are well suited for this diet, allowing them to consume tough plant material. Wombats are known for their burrowing behavior, creating extensive underground tunnel systems where they seek refuge and rest during the day. 11. Emu. Emu is a remarkable and distinctive bird native to Australia. Emus are the second largest living bird by height, with males typically standing around 1.7 up to 1.9 meters tall. They have a compact body covered in coarse shaggy feathers, a long neck and legs, robust, powerful thighs, and feathers. Emus have unique feathers that resemble hair and are mostly brown with a dark head and neck. Emus are omnivores, with a diet that includes plant material such as leaves, fruits, and seeds, as well as insects and small vertebrates. They are known to swallow stones and pebbles to aid in digestion, similar to other ratites like ostriches. Emus are known for their nomadic lifestyle, continually on the move in search of food and water. 12. Western pygmy possum. Western pygmy possum is one of smallest marsupials, known for its diminutive size, distinctive appearance, and its role in its native of southwestern and southern Australia. Their body length to a maximum length of 6 to 7 centimeters and a maximum weight of 7 to 10 grams. Their prehensile tail is nearly as long as their body, and they have big expressive eyes set within a compact body. They have thick velvety fur that might be gray, brown, or another color. They frequently have a noticeable dorsal stripe down their back. Western pygmy possums are primarily nectarivorous, relying on the nectar of various native plants as a key component of their diet. They use their long slender tongue to access nectar from flowers. They also consume pollen and small insects. They are solitary and generally solitary animals that spend much of their time in shrubs and trees, where they feed on nectar, pollen, and insects. 13. Sugar glider. Sugar glider is a small marsupial native to Australia, Indonesia, and New Guinea. Sugar gliders are measuring about 16 up to 20 centimeters in length, with a prehensile tail of similar length. Their bodies are soft and covered with fur with colors ranging from gray to brown. They can glide through the air thanks to a membrane called the patagium, which extends from the wrist to the ankle. Large expressive eyes, a bushy tail, and a noticeable dark stripe that extends from the base of the tail to the head are characteristics of sugar gliders. Sugar gliders are omnivorous, with a diet that includes nectar, tree sap, fruit, insects, and other small invertebrates. They have a specialized grooming claw on their second toe, which they use to extract nectar from flowers or tree sap. Sugar gliders are social animals that live in small family groups, often consisting of a breeding pair and their offspring. 14. Wallaby. Wallaby is a marsupial native to Australia and nearby islands. Wallabies are marsupials with a body length ranging from 45 up to 105 centimeters and a tail measuring up to 100 centimeters in length. Their strong hind legs and robust body make them ideal for leaping and hopping. Wallabies can have distinctive facial patterns and have short silky fur that is frequently gray or brown in hue. Wallabies are herbivores and graze on a variety of vegetation, including grasses, shrubs, and leaves. They are known to consume a wide range of plant species depending on their habitat and the availability of food. They are most active during dawn and dusk or at night. They are solitary or form small groups, with some species being more social than others. 15. Southern cassowary. Southern cassowary is a remarkable and distinctive bird native to the rainforests of northern Australia and New Guinea. Southern cassowary is a large flightless bird with adult individuals standing approximately 1.5 up to 8 meters tall and weighing up to 70 kilograms or 154 pounds. Their glossy black feathers contrast sharply with their blue face, which features bright blue skin and a helmet-like casque their heads. Their muscular thick legs end in three-toed feet that have long vicious claws. Cassowaries are omnivores, with a diet that includes a wide variety of plant material such as fruits, berries, leaves, fungi and insects. They are known to be territorial and can exhibit territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video about strange Australia animals. If you enjoy, let me know in the comments which strange animal is your favorite, and please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.